Hello, hello. A couple of weeks ago, I uploaded a YouTube short where I showed that there was something wrong with my headlights. Thank you so much for all of you who were commenting that there might be something wrong with the RR unit, you might have to change your wiring harness, there might be something up with the electricals or the relay issue. Turns out, I checked, I think it's just the LED bulb. Let me show you. After a quick close inspection, there are three sides to the LED bulb. So there are three LED chips in this, and two of them are not functioning properly. Let me quickly show that to you. And as a result, one is twitching. If you can see that there's one chip that is not lighting properly, and there is one that is just full on going crazy. So for safety, I had already purchased a night eye long before because I wanted to install night eye on my car as well, since that is not happening anytime soon. So I thought, why not swap the defective LEDs and get something better. So this is the LED bulb that comes with it. So there's three sides to it. If you can see, 1, 2, and 3. So in that one, just one of them isn't working. So I'm going to quickly swap this with that and then show you if this is working or not. It's a very simple procedure. You just have to remove this headlight unit and then just pop it out and pop this in. Simple. Should take you about 5 minutes. Let's begin. First things first, you have to put your bike on center stand. Don't work like that because there is a huge chance of you dropping some things here and there. Here you go. Let me place the camera right here. And I'll adjust the height of this thing. Just 2 Phillips screws here. Be very careful with those, as they can go bad if you don't pay attention. And there you go. There you go. Just it goes up and it comes out. There's quite a bit of dust in here. You make sure that everything is switched off. This thing comes off just like that. And this thing, just lift it and off it disconnects. Yep, there you go. And then off comes the headlight. So the number one thing that I'm going to do is, guess what? Absolutely right. I'm just gonna clean this thing real quick because it's been a while since I washed my bike. Thanks to the monsoons, I'm just not taking the Interceptor out that very often. Twist it and just pull it out. I'll just quickly keep this safely somewhere. So let's see what happens when I put the old one. The fan makes a bit of noise and there are 3 LED bulbs. And I've just noticed that one is placed slightly at a lower angle as compared to the other 2. So this one, see, this one and this one. And what if I press the high beam? So, okay, no, I was wrong, because if I press the high beam, turns out 2 LED chips are working and one is malfunctioning, because at any given time 2 LED bulbs work and this is for high beam. So one chip is not working. Let's see the new one. There you go. So that's completely fine. Quite bright though.
Put that light out.
2 chips are working perfectly fine. this one and this one. So the one that is placed slightly lower angle, that's the high beam one. And if I press the high beam, oh, yep, it's bright, quite bright.
Are you deaf? Put that light out.
Okay, I will take a minute to see normally because I am quite blinded by the high beam light.
Close your eyes.
Headlights also do a very good job of positioning it or focusing it in a better way that it doesn't directly goes into your eyes. And also I've pitched my headlight at a slightly lower angle. Only high beams will go, as the name suggests, high. Okay, before I put everything back, standard procedure, clean everything up because it just feels right. I think there's a version of me in the multiverse who just doesn't like to clean.
Teach me.
Just clean the harnesses as well so that dust doesn't settle there and becomes really hard over a period of time and it gets really difficult. There you go. The LED position, which is positioned slightly down, is the high beam one. So this has to go below. This is the bottom part of the LED headlight. So I'll position this like that. Just quickly check if everything is in order. Yep, it is. And now this thing goes here. Be careful not to put the headlight on the front fender. That just scratches everything up. And I'd like to show some dexterity here, closing this small wiring harness with just a few fingers, by the way.
That's because you know what I can do with my little finger.
And just make sure everything is snug back there. Position it quite back, and this thing goes up. Make sure nothing is coming in between anything. Nice and snug. What's that? Yep, I talk to myself quite a bit. Finger tight these screws, just, and yep. Now let's see. Moment of truth. Let me position this slightly towards the right. Are you ready? Absolutely. Twitching is gone.
It's gone.
Full bright, functioning. Very nice.
It's nice.
So, I hope you enjoyed this small video on the headlight bulb change. I'm changing this bulb after 4 years. Yeah, these lasted quite a while. So go for it. 4 years, one bulb change, not a bad deal. Plus it costs about 1,000 rupees or maybe 1100 or so last I checked. If you like this video, just hit that subscribe button and the notifications icon and you'll be doing me a solid. Thank you so much for your support and your time. Cheerio out.